Alright YouTube, here's a quick breakdown. We now have the Hall sensors aligned and properly plugged. Yellow to yellow, green to green, blue to blue. There was 2 wires right here in the bundle that you plugged together, which was self-learning, and that allowed it to fix the out of phase and allow our motor to run forward with still having the reverse option of 50%, I believe it is, power of forward. And so now all that is working properly. Here we have a generic 3000 watt up to 96 volt controller, and we have a 3000 watt rated to 72 volt motor. So plenty of